working on a task and want to do something else, opening up other apps will slow down the computer, then you will need to create a virtual desktop. Just press the Windows key plus Ctrl plus D. Number 2. Switching between virtual desktops. Are you working on multiple virtual desktops? You can switch between by pressing Windows key plus Ctrl plus either the left or right keys. When you are done working with a particular desktop, you can close it by pressing Windows key plus Ctrl plus F. Number 3. Opening apps on the taskbar. You can pin your favorite apps on the taskbar and open them by pressing Windows key plus the number of the app counting from the left. You can also navigate through the apps on the taskbar by pressing Windows key plus T selected. Number 4. Moving to the desktop from apps. Want to return to your desktop without minimizing all the open apps? Pressing Windows key plus M or Windows key plus D will minimize all at once selected. Number 5. Opening the Task Manager. You can open the Task Manager to end an application anytime it freezes by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete or using Ctrl plus Alt plus Escape. Number 6. Dividing the desktop screen into 2 or more. You can place apps side by side on the desktop to be able to use them simultaneously by using Windows key plus the arrow keys. You can also switch between those apps by using Ctrl plus Alt plus Tab. Number 7. Opening File Explorer and Cortana app. You can open the popular File Explorer and Cortana AI by pressing Windows key plus E and Windows key plus C respectively. The Settings app on Windows 10 can be opened by pressing Windows key plus I or Windows key plus U. Number 8. Finding it difficult to read text on the screen. Stop straining your eyes by zooming in or out by pressing Windows key plus the plus or minus sign. Number 9. You can easily lock your PC without using the Start button by using Windows key plus L. Number 10. Want to take a screenshot or a video of your game? Press Windows key plus G to open the game panel. Number 11. Typing the Windows key plus Q or Windows key plus S opens the search windows in Windows 10. Number 12. You can open the Run dialog box by typing Windows key plus R. Number 13. The projector panel can be opened by pressing Windows key plus P. This is a bonus for you. Did you know Windows 10 had an emoji panel? This panel can be accessed by pressing Windows plus semicolon. The notification area can be accessed by pressing Windows plus B. Are there any other keyboard shortcuts you know? Please drop them in the comment box. Kindly like and subscribe to this video to receive notifications on upcoming videos.